Let us understand the Treatment Supporter Honorarium Scheme dashboard. Under this scheme, a treatment supporter is eligible for an honorarium amount of 1,000 rupees for DSTB patients on treatment completion or cure, and rupees 5,000 for DRTB patients, of which 2,000 rupees is payable at end of IP, that is, after 6 months of treatment initiation, and 3,000 rupees on treatment completion. This dashboard provides a performance overview of the treatment supporter scheme so that action items can be identified at the click of a button. The date filter of this dashboard refers to the notification period. For a selected period, this dashboard analyzes the number and amount of benefits payable versus paid, and the number of beneficiaries associated. This dashboard is updated on a daily basis. Thus, at all times, the dashboard is updated as of yesterday. This dashboard analyzes the performance of the treatment supporter scheme for patients diagnosed during the selected period, whose current treatment health facility is in the selected geography. To view the underlying beneficiaries and benefits, the Benefit Register and Beneficiary Register from the NICSHARE Reports portal may be referred. In this dashboard, in the summary view, 4 funnel charts are provided. Overview, patient status, beneficiary status, and the benefit status. Note that, in this scheme the treatment supporters are the beneficiaries. The overview, funnel chart, provides an overall performance summary of scheme. Let us have a look at the indicators provided in this funnel chart. In this district, the total number of treatment supporters who are registered in NICSHARE is 975. A treatment supporter's status in NICSHARE may be active or inactive. Active treatment supporters can only be assigned to patients. There are 966 treatment supporters marked as active in NICSHARE in this district. A treatment supporter may or may not be eligible for receiving honorarium. The number of active treatment supporters marked eligible for receiving honorarium is 808. Out of the eligible, there are 547 treatment supporters whose beneficiary status is validated. For the selected notification cohort, treatment supporters might have been assigned for a certain number of DSTB or DRTB patients. Some of these patients might have attained successful treatment outcomes, that is, their treatment has been completed or their outcome has been declared as cured. Thus, the DBT Maker user would have generated the benefits. For the selected notification cohort, benefits have been generated under the scheme for 9 treatment supporters. Next is the count of treatment supporters who have been paid at least one benefit. In this case, none of the benefits are paid. And next is the number of treatment supporters who have been paid all the benefits which were created, which is also 0 for this district.